Students, welcome to my YouTube channel NEET. Today we are going to discuss Aufbau principle, Hunds rule and Paulis exclusion principle from the chapter Structure of Atom. Aufbau principle. In Aufbau principle, electrons are filled in the increasing order of energy of subshell. So what? Electrons are filled in the increasing order of energy of subshells. So for Aufbau principle there are two rules. The first one is N plus L rule. Here N is the main subshell and L is the value of subshell. For S subshell, the L value is equal to 0, and for P subshell, the L value is equal to 1. For D subshell, the L value is equal to 2, and for F subshell, the L value is equal to 3. For S, L is equal to 0, P, L is equal to 1, D, L is equal to 2, and for F, L is equal to 3. N is the main subshell. For example, take the subshells 5S and 6P. Here N is equal to 5 and L is equal to 0. For S, L is equal to 0. So 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. N plus L. 5 plus 0 which is equal to 5. And for 6P, 6 plus, for P, L is equal to 1. So 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 which is equal to 7. So for 5s the N plus L value is 5, and for 6P the N plus L value is 7. So the subshell with less N plus L value will be filled first. So 5s will be filled first than 6P. So N plus L value less N plus L value will be filled first. This is the first rule. The second rule is if two subshells have the same N plus L value, then the subshell with low value of N will be filled first. Low value of N will be filled first. For example, 5P and 6S. Here the N plus L value is 5 plus 1 which is equal to 6, and for 6s the N plus L value is 6 plus 0 which is equal to 6. So here the both N plus L value is same. Here 6, here also 6. So the N plus L value is same for both the subshells 5P and 6s. In this case we will have to take the low value of N. Low value of N means this is the N. Here the low value of N is for 5P. 5 is less than 6, so 5P. So 5P will be filled first than 6s. 5P will be filled first. So the next rule is Hunds rule. Hunds rule says that the electron pairing does not take place until each orbital is singly occupied one electron each. Let's look it. In the case of P4, draw P 3 orbitals. So there are 4 electrons in the P subshell. So first one electron here, then second electron, then third electron. So each orbital will be singly occupied by the electron, and then the remaining one will be paired with the first one. This is what the Hunds rule says. Next, in P5, one, two, three. First we have to fill the 3 orbitals, then there is remaining 2 electrons, then we will pair it up with the electrons. Okay, this is what the Hunds rule says. The next is the Paulis exclusion principle. In Paulis exclusion principle, it says that no 2 electrons can have the same set of quantum number. No 2 electrons can have the same set of quantum number. So all electrons have their own quantum numbers. No 2 have the same set of quantum number. 2 electrons can have the same n value, may have the same n value, l value or m value, but they will differ in, they will surely differ in their s value, that is clockwise, anti-clockwise, plus 1/2 minus 1/2. This is what the Paulis exclusion principle says. No 2 electrons can have the same set of quantum number. This is what the 3 rules explain. Aufbau principle, Hunds rule and Paulis exclusion principle. I like you all understand the 3 rules well. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.